In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent emails from eBay. If your inbox is filling up with messages from eBay, adjusting a few settings will help you keep what's important and silence what isn't, whether you're buying, selling, or both. Start on eBay's homepage and make sure you're signed in. Move your cursor to the top of the page and hover over your name to open the account menu. This reveals a quick path to the key controls you need. From that menu, click Account Settings. This takes you to the main area where all of your profile and notification options live. Once you're in Account Settings, look for Communication Preferences and select it. This is the control center for what eBay sends to your inbox. You'll see that eBay organizes notifications based on how you use the platform, which keeps things tidy when you only want to change a certain type of message. Inside Communication Preferences, you'll notice separate sections for buyer and for seller. Switch to the side that applies to you, or review both if you use eBay in both roles. This is important because some preferences are unique to buying, like saved search alerts or deal notifications, while others are specific to selling, like listing updates or buyer message notifications. Next, find the category you want to adjust and click Edit. This opens a more detailed list of specific email types under that category. Take a moment to read each option so you know exactly what you're turning off. For example, you might keep order confirmations and shipping updates but remove marketing emails, promotional digests, or reminders you don't find helpful. Now, uncheck unwanted notifications. Removing the checkmark next to an item tells eBay to stop sending that type of email. Be selective here. It's smart to keep critical, time-sensitive messages on. Things like purchase confirmations, shipping notice, return updates, and direct messages related to your transactions, so you don't miss anything important. Repeat this process for any other categories you want to clean up. If you also sell on eBay, switch over to the seller section and make the same adjustments there. Double check that you've reviewed both sides, so your preferences are consistent with how you use your account. That's all there is to it. By hovering over your name, opening account settings, going into communication preferences, selecting buyer and seller as needed, clicking edit, and unchecking the notifications you don't want, you'll quickly reduce inbox clutter while keeping essential updates. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a calmer, more focused email experience.